Hey guys, today we'll learn about the final method in Boolean string methods that is printable. The name itself shows that it is used to check whether all characters in a string are printable. It should not have any control characters or escape characters. So the printable characters are those that have a graphical representation and can be displayed on the screen. This includes alphabets, digits, punctuations, white space characters. Yeah. But it will not have the escape characters like your slash s, slash t, yeah, which is your escape character for tab, slash n for your new line characters. Yes. So this is mostly used to check whether your string has printable characters or not. Now, how do you check that? You have the syntax. You have the syntax as, let me put the syntax. You have the string that is to be checked, dot is printable. And then you have this parenthesis which does not have any arguments or any objects to be passed on. Yeah, let's quickly jump on to the example. Suppose I have the string I can analyze, which is there, which we have seen earlier. So you have this string. Yeah, we are checking whether it is printable or not. So whether is the string provided printable. Yeah. So let's see whether this string is printable. Yes, it is showing us true. Yeah, so it is printable because it does not have any escape characters. Suppose I do not have any characters at all. Suppose I have this page. Let me copy this. So empty string. Yes. Empty string, which is again I told you earlier, is equivalent to space. So let's see what is it is printable because we have said space is printable. Yeah. Only if I have escape characters, the same are not printable. Let's see some special characters. Yeah. If string has special characters, let me input some special characters in this hash, dollar, percentage, 1%. Yes. So it is still giving me true because these are special characters and could be printable. Yeah. Now let's try to put the escape characters. So I have the string. Let's have the escape characters here, like the new line character and all. String with escape characters. Yes. So suppose I have this I scan analyze and I separate it on new line slash n and I have this slash tag. Yeah. Suppose it has this characters which are not printable. Whenever you run this particular thing, if I run this, I'll show you that as well. If I run this, you'll see eyes will come on one line. Okay, I have to print this. I'm very sorry. Eyes will come on one line. Can will go on separate line. And there would be a tab between can and analyze. So let's run this. So you see this? So eyes have come on one line, can has gone on another line with a tab in between, and it has printed analyze. So it has characters in between which are escape characters, but this cannot be printable. Yeah, so this particular program should give us the value as false because there are non-printable characters available within the string. Yes. So if we have non-printable characters within the string, then it will not print as well. Yes. Now suppose there are some control characters as well. Now there are some ASCII code which has which are relevant to control characters. Yeah. So if those ASCII codes, if I put those ASCII codes as to check whether those are printable, yeah, let's see whether those codes are printable. So I have this ASCII. Let's see whether these are printable or not. No. Yeah. Let's see what was the in this ASCII value. Let's see. Let's convert it to character and see what it is. Yeah. Type error. Sorry. It needs to be a string. One B. Okay, I have missed this. Is an escape character. So this is an escape character. So this is mostly an escape button that is in your on your keyboard. So that is basically represented by X1 B2. Yeah, X1 B. Let me see. Let me write X1 B2. Let me see whether it gives me the output. No. Okay. The object cannot be interpreted as a string. So we cannot interpret this as a string. I was just trying to convert, but it's not happening. So anyways, just for your information, this string contains an ANSI escape code. So these are escape codes, yeah, for color formatting, which are control characters. Hence, those are not printable. Only the hello world, which is the string, is printable, whereas other things are not printable. Hence, it is giving me the value as false. Yeah. So, is printable method is used to check only if the characters in a string are printable or not. if those escape characters, this will not be printed at all. Yeah, hence it will come out the value will come out as false. Hope you understood this video and this method. Do like, share, comment on this videos to give your inputs, and do subscribe to my channel to get such more informative videos with examples. Uh, Thank you so much.